Hello, everyone. Welcome to MJP Accounting and Finance Academy. My name is Mutoni Jessica Patricia. I am an SCCS student with passion for accounting and finance. I will be helping you master key accounting concepts and learn how to use essential accounting software like QuickBooks, SAP, Tally, and Excel, and very many others. My goal is to make accounting very easy and practical by teaching you the tools and techniques that you need to master. And in our tutorial series, we are going to be looking at QuickBooks. We shall look at a brief introduction to QuickBooks, and as we move ahead with our tutorial series, we shall get into the utilization of QuickBooks and how we can use it in our routine activities. So in our introduction, the first section, we shall have the definition of QuickBooks and also look at the reasons as to why you should learn QuickBooks. So what is QuickBooks? The definition of QuickBooks. QuickBooks is an accounting software used by very many businesses in the world. It's one of the top names in the accounting software with over 1 million subscribers. Yes, QuickBooks has over 1 million subscribers because it's very familiar to use. You can easily familiarize with it and get used and get the skills so fast. You don't need to do so much. You don't need to do so much. You just need to get a few key concepts and you will be familiar with it. So that is why it's used by, again, very many businesses in the world. Why should you learn QuickBooks? Well, there are quite a number of reasons as to why you should learn QuickBooks, but we shall use these 5 reasons as to why you should learn QuickBooks. And in case you have any other more reasons, you can also add on to that. One is to manage your personal finances. How this helps you track your incomes and expenses, making budgeting quite easy. It also shows where money is spent, helping to cut out unnecessary costs. So, because with QuickBooks, you're going to be able to track your incomes and expenses. So if you're able to track your incomes and expenses, that means you know how much income that you have and how much expenses that you have. So budgeting will become easier for you, and budgeting will become easier for you, and managing your finances will become also a bit smooth as you utilize your QuickBooks, especially if you're using it also not only for your personal finances, but then also for your business as well. So you should also learn it for freelancing and side hustles on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. This allows easy creation of invoices and tracking of payments. For example, if you're trying to send an invoice to a client, a customer who has contacted you via one of the platforms like Fiverr, to remind them to, pay you for the service that you have provided for them. So with QuickBooks, it will be very easy to create invoices. Then it helps you keep your finances organized, making it easy to see your profits and losses. How QuickBooks, as we are going to study, avails you with reports whereby you can easily identify, you can easily see, you can easily identify whether you're making a profit or a loss. Then boosting career opportunities. Many companies use QuickBooks, making it a valuable skill. Equipping yourself with knowledge in QuickBooks will actually make you very outstanding in the job market today, especially if you are a fresh graduate. It also helps in accounting, finance, and business related jobs, like we have already seen. Then running a small business. How this helps you track sales, expenses, and profits automatically. More so because one of the main roles of QuickBooks is to track your incomes and expenses. So if you're using it to run your small businesses, you're able to track the sales, the expenses, and the profits automatically, because some of the settings in QuickBooks avails gives you automatic. It has automatic settings whereby certain things are so automatic and you don't need to do them manually. Then we have saves time by organizing financial records and reports. So, like we have seen that because you're able to track your incomes, your sales automatically, it will definitely save you the time from doing some of the things manually. For example, creating of financial reports, maybe the balance sheet, the statement of profit and loss, a customer balance detail, all those records and reports. It will save time. it will save you a lot of time, whereby you can be able to actually do other tasks that you have at hand. Then, lastly, we have simplifying taxes. It helps calculate taxes and keeps records for easy filing. And also, it reduces the risk of tax mistakes and penalties, because when you use QuickBooks, it's so easy to actually identify errors, because again, certain things are working behind the scenes, like the reports. So all these things will be able to give you a signal. You can easily identify an error, and you're able to avoid mistakes, and the mistakes are actually easily correctable in case you make a mistake. But yes, it simplifies your taxes. You can easily calculate them and record them for easy filing. Well, that's it for our section 1 for our introduction to QuickBooks, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.